What's up everybody, Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm doing some river fishing. I'm fishing for anything that's willing to bite. It's going to be a hot day, getting up to about 85 degrees. The river here is low and clear, but today I want to test something out. I'm going to be using this lipless crankbait from Eurotackle, and it's the Wonder Bread pattern. I've never used a Wonder Bread pattern lure before, and I want to see if the fish will bite this. So we're going to go up here to this dam and toss it around, see if I can catch some fish. More than likely, I'm going to lose this lure because this place is very, very snaggy, but I have a bunch of different stuff in my bag if I lose this thing. But I at least want to catch one or a few fish on this and see if it works and go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Almost to the dam, guys. It's right around the corner. Seems like there's a little breeze today and some clouds, which is good. Today I got my 6'6" medium light St. Croix Premier rod, Pflueger President reel, and I got 8-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. Down on this end I have the Eurotackle Z Viber in the Wonder Bread pattern. If you guys want anything from Eurotackle, use code FISHHAWK to save some money. I'm going to get some underwater footage of this thing and see how it looks. Let's make a toss right here. Deep little hole. Thought maybe one would be sitting in there. This thing really stands out in that clear water. I don't know if they're going to go for it or not. We're about to find out. This is a really snaky place. I gotta watch out. There we go. Fish on. Oh, nice smallie. Nice smallie. He choked it. Yes. Nice river smallie, right around 16, 17 inches on the Eurotackle Z Viber. I think the Wonder Bread works. Let's let him go. I think it's safe to say they like the Wonder Bread. Let's keep it going. That fish was hanging out right at the base of those falls. I tossed it in there and he hit it immediately. No more fish from this spot right here. I'm gonna work my way down along the dam. There it, oh my gosh. How are these fish getting off? Fish on. Oh, that's why. Not a big one, but we'll take it. Fish on the drop. Oh, that's a pretty one. A little bigger than the last one. Beautiful fish. Those fish are loving this thing on the drop. I'm casting in there, letting it sink down, and they're drilling it. There's another one. Oh yeah. They're all about the same size. Gorgeous colors. I'd say those fish are stacked right over there in that calm water. Caught someone's fishing line. See if I can get it out. That's some heavy test right there, but we got it. Someone had a big old split shot on there. Probably at least 12-pound tests, maybe 15, but at least get this out of the water, take it home and throw it away. Fish on. Oh, it's a smallie. Not very big, but gorgeous fish. Oh yeah. Haha. These guys are thick in there.
goodness. Non-stop action on these guys. Fish on. Well, that's a little better one. Might be the biggest one so far. They are thick in there. Oh, there's a smallie. Not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. Should net him. Oh, he got off. That was a pretty decent smallmouth. Oh, smallie action. Got a jumper. It's not a bad one. Back on the smallie action, not a bad one. That smallie did not want to cooperate for the underwater release. All I'm doing to fish this lipless is casting it out all the way up to the base of the dam, letting it sink down. A lot of times they're hitting it on the fall, but if they don't, I'm just hopping it back in with my rod tip. Just jerking my rod tip up, letting it fall back down, all the way back to me. All right, guys, did pretty well at this spot right here. I'm gonna keep working my way down. There's a fish. Oh, different species. Different species, guys. I think this is a bluegill. Oh, there's a smallie. No, it's not. It's a big red breast. Vertical jig this guy. Little bit of a drop. See you, buddy.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Had a pretty good day of fishing. Caught quite a few fish and a couple different species. A few nice smallmouth bass. All the fish I caught today was on the Euro Tackle Z-Viber lipless crank in the Wonder Bread pattern. And we answered the question, will fish hit the Wonder Bread? Yes, they will. If you guys want to pick up anything from Euro Tackle, including this little lipless crank, use code FISHHAWK. It'll save you some money and it'll help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.